Well, I've been coming every year since 2003, and now it's something I look forward to.
It's about my 10th year I've been coming to the NGH.
I've been a hypnotist for 18 years now, and I come to the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention every year.
I'm having a wonderful time. It's my first year, and I look forward to coming back in the future.
Well, I actually came last year. You must come to convention, join the guilds, come and see, and I'm hooked.
Well, I've been coming here since I started as a hypnotist, probably 1989.
There's so many different classes that you can take and so many different techniques. It was really nice to connect with other people.
I've been a member for what has got to be going on 30 years now.
I love the convention.
I love the National Guild of Hypnotists because, for one, it's an institution. I love the professionalism. I love what they stand for. I love the code of ethics, and I love the camaraderie here. And there's just such an amazing wealth of information, and it's very friendly.
It's friendly. There are a lot of hypnotists here from all over the world. The Guild the NGH is one of the largest and the best organization for hypnosis. And
I come to the conference every year since 1996. It's the place to be for anyone in the profession or wanting to come into the profession of hypnosis.